Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, allow me to thank you for the time given to me. And the second time, let me introduce myself. My name is Cucu Alex Zainuddin from Telkom University Bandung. On this occasion, I will present a paper with the title Analysis of the Use of Mobile Banking Using the Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology U2, Trust and Word of Mouth for BNI Customer in Bandung. Research background: the COVID-19 pandemic, which has been ongoing for 2 years, has undoubtedly affected the process of accelerating more comprehensively digitalization of banking, starting from the system to banking operation, which have shifted digitally. Therefore, the public is encouraged to immediately adopt to various digital financial services. As a result of this case, BNI continues to work to make it easier for customers to switch to digitally based technology in mobile banking application. According to the 2021 Bank Service Excellence Monitor survey conducted by Marketing Research Indonesia, BNI Mobile Banking was ranking the best mobile application in terms of the application completeness of features. The use of mobile banking during this pandemic continues to show a significant increase until the first quarter of 2021. The number of users reached 8.56 million, or grew 58.4% compared to the first quarter of 2020, which was 5.41 million customers. In terms of transaction value, was recorded 138 trillion rupiah in March 2021, or a 33.2% growth compared to March 2020 of 103 trillion rupiah. The number of transactions in the first 3 months of 2021 was 95 million, an increase of 50.4% compared to the first quarter of 2020, which reached 63 million transactions. The Brand Awards Institution, which annually conduct a survey related to the use of mobile banking in Indonesia in 2021, the results are as follows. And the next, the survey conducted in the Top Brand Index, phase 1 in the first semester of 2021 above showed that the BNI mobile banking is in the third position after BCA and Mandiri. They show that the percentage of BNI mobile usage in Indonesia is still low at 14%. Even though during this pandemic, the use of mobile banking has increased, the data show an increase in the number of mobile banking users and transactions for 3 periods, 2018 until 2020, including the number of users increasing by 59.6%, growth in transaction value increasing by 47.6%, and increasing transaction volume by 49.9%. And next, the researcher further interviewed several employees of the Bandung BNI College branch office, including Mr. I Putu Gede Restu as branch manager, Ms. Linlin Nurlina Rahman as service division leader, and Ms. Evi Wara Kusumawati as head of sub-branch office. The data show that there are still complaints from customers that are directly communicated by employee at the frontliner service unit when serving customer. The customer complaints are about difficulties encountered when using mobile banking, such as technical issues with unsuccessful transfer or system malfunction that prevent client from transaction on mobile banking. Besides that, BNI employees may encounter these challenges when use mobile banking. and employees may experience as customer in general when they do. According to BNI's mobile banking usage data in Bandung area, mobile usage is still low at roughly 5.91%, with Bandung area ranking third lowest nationally in terms of mobile banking user. This research aimed to analyze the factors that influence BNI customer adoption of mobile banking in Bandung. The research framework for this study was modified from the unified theory of acceptance and use of technology (UTO2) by adding trust and word of mouth to the model. Conceptual framework in this research using the UTO2 model from Venkatesh et al. 2012 was modified in a previous study by Alalwan et al. 2017 by adding the trust variable. Then in this study, in addition to adopting the true framework of Alalwan et al. 2017, will also add the word of mouth variable. The framework used in this study is the extension of previous research by Alalwan et al. And the expansion of the UTO2 model. However, based on the UTO2 literature result, this model is the best model because it has the highest predictive power of the previous model. Word of mouth is included in this research framework model because in the context of mobile banking services, customers are not expected to use mobile banking services unless they receive recommendation or testimonials from others. As a result, it is critical to include the word of mouth variable. Performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, facilitating condition, hedonic motivation, price value, trust, and word of mouth are the 8 independent factors in this study paradigm, whereas behavioral intention and use behavior are the 2 independent variables. Customers believe that adopting BNI's mobile banking services will increase their capacity to conduct real-time financial transactions will be measured with performance expectancy. It's tend to switch customer associate the easy of utilizing BNI mobile banking services will be assessed by this effort expectancy. Customer perception of how people in their social surroundings, both friends and family, affect their behavior to use BNI mobile banking services will be evaluated in the social influence. This facilitating condition will assess customer belief that factors such as device availability, knowledge, instruction, and other people in their social group are available to support the use of BNI mobile banking. This hedonic motivation will assist the pleasure and comfort derived from using BNI mobile banking services. The first value represents the benefit perceived by the use in exchange for the financial cost associated with using BNI's mobile banking service. This trust will evaluate the extent to which customers lack confidence and trust in using BNI mobile banking services to conduct banking transactions. This word of mouth will examine how much customers believe they receive word of mouth recommendation that influence the decision to use BNI mobile banking services. Methodology in this research. The study utilized a quantitative approach and a deductive method. Additionally, this study employs an explanatory which demonstrates the relationship between variables. This research employed non-probability sampling, a technique that doesn't ensure equal sampling opportunities for each element or member of the population, and proportion sampling will be used in this study. Calculation of the sample from the entire population using Slovene sampling technique with number of samples of 400. This research applied to a distinct type of data in the analysis are primary and secondary data. The researchers conducted a descriptive analysis in this study by distributing questionnaires to respondents who are BNI customers in the Bandung City region. And the researcher employs SAM, structural equation modeling analysis, which is aided by the usage of smart PLS software. PLS SAM was performed in two stages. The first phase is to evaluate the measurement performed in the measurements model, followed by an evaluation of the structural model. The study evaluated the validity and reliability of the measurement model, whereas the structural model evaluates L-square and the importance of the path coefficient. Then the outer model is a measuring model used to determine the model's validity and dependability. We start the research. According to the convergent validity test, that's all indicators are valid because their loading factor values exceed the minimum requirement, indicating that all indicators are valid. Based on the discriminant validity test, it can be stated that all latent variables have good validity with an average value greater than 0.5. Based on the reliability test, it can be concluded all variables have a high degree of reliability, as evidenced by composite reliability value greater than 0.6 and quanch bands alpha greater than 0.6. The table below shows that the result of the tests that have been carried out in this research using the Smart PLS software. The output hypothesis 1 showed that hypothesis is accepted that performance expectancy has a positive effect on behavior intention from BNI mobile banking with a t-statistic of 3.120, which is greater than t-table 1.65 and a p-value of 0.001 less than 0.05. And the next test, namely hypothesis 2, show that effort expectancy has no significant effect on behavior intention at 1.231, which is smaller than t-table 1.65 with p-value 0.109 greater than 0.05, which means hypothesis 1 is rejected. And the next hypothesis testing 3 showed that hypothesis is accepted, which states that export expectancy has a positive effect on performance expectation with a statistical value of 7.970, which is greater than the table, and p-values of 0.000 less than 0.05. And then next, testing hypothesis 4 show that the result of hypothesis are rejected, that social influence has no positive effect on behavior intention with the statistic value of 0.937, which is smaller than t-table 1.65 and p-values 0.175 greater than 0.005. Next, in hypothesis 5, where facilitating condition has a positive effect on behavior intention, which result is the statistic of 4.194 greater than the table and p-values of 0.000, meaning that hypothesis 1 is accepted. Testing on hypothesis 6 states that hedonic motivation has no significant effect on behavior intention with a statistical p-value of 1.5 to 1, which is smaller than the table 1.65, and a p-value of 0.064, which means that hypothesis 1 is rejected. Hypothesis 7 is the price value has a positive effect on behavior intention, which result in a t-statistic of 3.796 greater than the table and p-values of 0.00, meaning hypothesis is accepted. Hypothesis 8, namely trust, a positive effect on behavior intention, which result in a statistic of 6.473 greater than the table and p-values 0.000, meaning that hypothesis is accepted. Then the 9 trust hypothesis testing has a positive effect on performance expectancy, which result in the test statistic being 5.045 greater than the table and p-values 0.000, meaning hypothesis is accepted. The next test is hypothesis 10, where hypothesis is accepted that behavior intention has a positive effect on using behavior with a statistic value 4.280, which is greater than the table, and p-values of 0.00 less than 0.005. And lastly, hypothesis 11, word of mouth has a positive effect on performance expectancy, which result in a statistic of 9.856 greater than the table and p-values of 0.00, meaning that hypothesis is accepted. Based on the finding from the research and same analysis conducted on the development of U2 trust and word of mouth model for the usage of mobile banking for customer in Bandung area, numerous conclusions can be derived. The following are the findings that address the study question. First, performance expectancy has a considerable and beneficial effect on consumer behavior intention to utilize mobile banking services. Second, effort expectancy had no discernible effect on BNI customer behavior intention to use mobile banking services. And next, effort expectancy has no considerable and beneficial effect on mobile banking's performance expectancy. And next, recognize that social influence has a negligible effect on BNI customer behavior intention. The facilitating condition has a considerable and beneficial effect on BNI customer willingness to use mobile banking service. And next, hedonic motivation has no discernible effect on BNI mobile banking services behavior intention. And next, price value has a considerable and beneficial effect on BNI customer behavior intention to use mobile banking service. And word of mouth has a considerable and favorable effect on BNI's mobile banking service use behavior. And then trust has a considerable and beneficial effect on BNI customer behavior intention to embrace mobile banking service. Trust has a strong and beneficial effect on performance expectancy when it comes to using BNI mobile banking. And mobile banking behavior intention has a large and beneficial effect on the use behaviors of BNI's mobile banking service. The result of the hypothesis testing indicate that the use of two factors, performance expectancy, import expectancy, facilitating condition, and price value, trust, and word of mouth all influence the behavior of BNI customer with intervening behavioral intention when it comes to using mobile banking services. The test result of the research framework model developed in this study clearly indicate that two variables, namely social influence and hedonic motivation, have little effect on the use of BNI mobile banking in the Bandung area. That's all from me. Thank you.